Hello everyone, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. Today's Memorial Day and I'm going to be riding with the Harley-Davidson White Lightning Chapter here in Chattanooga. We're going to go pay some respect to our armed forces today. So if you would get a chance, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment and I will make sure to get back to you. Now, for you guys who follow national news from time to time, if you remember back in July 16th of 2015, Chattanooga had a terrorist attack. It actually happened pretty close to where we're going to be, and that's one of the reasons why we're taking this trip today. There's a mural that has been painted. I'm not sure the date of it, but it pays tribute to those gentlemen and their sacrifice. Alright, so we're on our way over to White Lightning Harley-Davidson to meet up the rest of the people who would like to go with us. Alright, we are almost at the dealership. Feels like it has been forever since we've been able to ride in a pack. So I am going to enjoy this moment. All right, here we go. Who doesn't like riding motorcycles through a tunnel? Yeah. That's pretty cool. There it is. So we'll try to get some better shots of that in just a few moments. Well, that was a quick trip just to salute our armed forces and to show our appreciation. So as always, guys, you are very much appreciated. Thank you for taking time to watch this video, and please subscribe as I try to grow the channel. Your support is very much appreciated, so please like and comment also, and I will reply back to you. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a great Memorial Day.